Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, Pound Japanese Yen. So, if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD, and others. So, let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and as we can see that there is a sudden selling on all the JPY pairs, and the reason is this. You can see that JPY, Japanese yen, is the strongest currency of the day. As a result, all the Japanese pairs like USD JPY, GBP JPY are witnessing selling pressure because JPY is the strongest currency. And if we consider the chart of GBP JPY, then we can see that GBP JPY, yes, after the selling pressure, it is trying to bounce from this level of 154.35. Why 154.35? Because this is the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. Apart from the Fibonacci retracement level, okay, we do not have any such reason or logic to trust this particular level. Only Fibonacci 38.2% is the reason here. Okay, so if you want to take a buy position right now, okay, that can be a high risk call, but yes, you can take a buy position just on the basis of Fibonacci retracement level. But if you see market breaking the level of 154.35 and going down, if you see market going down, then there will be fresh selling in the market. And the next target will be this level, the Fibonacci level of 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and that is this 153.3, 100 pips movement. If market breaks this level, then this will be the next. You can take a sell position below this level actually, if market breaks it, and this will be your exit level. Okay, but right now, if you want to initiate a buy position just on the basis of Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, you can take a buy position. And on the other hand, if you see GBP JPY going up, then you can wait for market to go down again, and that level will be around 155.25 to 155.50. We have a good resistance level on GBP JPY pound yen. So if it goes up also, there is a possibility that market will be facing selling pressure around this level. If it reverses from this level, you can definitely take a sell position at this level. Okay, so it's totally your decision right now. If you want to take a high risk, yes, I'm mentioning again, high risk buy call at this 154.6 to 154.6070 level, you can take a buy, but this is high risk. If it breaks the level, then you can take a sell position, and your exit level will be 153.35. And if it goes up, and if it reverses from the resistance zone of 155.25 to 155.50, if it goes down, then also you can take a sell position. These are the selling opportunities for you right now. Just keep in mind, Japanese yen is the strongest currency of the day, so there may be some selling as well, because market has just the day has just started, so we may see some more selling on the JPY pairs, so be careful. Okay, see, when I started the video, market was trading at 154.68, I guess. Right now it's trading at 154.65, so be careful. Okay, so hopefully you understood, and please follow proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. For my wrong analysis, you should not be losing your 50%, 70% capital. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Bye bye, take care.